Ooh. Wow, that was a long while ago. So if many of you are wondering like, Mert, where have you been? Where are the videos? Where's VR? What's happening? I've been busy and busy and busy and busy. So much has changed in the last couple of weeks and months actually in my life that I really just didn't have the time and the willpower in order to do content creation on the side. And that's not because I don't like doing content creation. It is more because I have to take care of the priorities first before I do this, basically. I also had to take care of the financial side in my life the last couple of months. That meant that I had to step back from content creation for a little while. Now, this is not the occasional hook for the video that I'm making, but that's not what this video is about. However, I still have something that I am going to show you after this whole story mode is over. And that is how to play Doom: The Dark Ages in 3D in VR. So stay tuned for that. I launched a new company with 2 other partners, which is mainly focusing on software development actually, with cybersecurity baked in, so secure by design. And we're making all kinds of software for all kinds of companies, all kinds of sectors. And this is exciting because eventually this can also lead to something great for my own channel and for the VR industry or for the future in general. But that's something that we are still messing around with. At the same time, I'm also, of course, working full-time. YouTube alone just doesn't cut it. If it would be awesome. I would be making more videos and be bringing out a lot more content for you guys. But reality is reality. You cannot do anything about it. And also rigorously exercising. I'm hitting the gym for 2 to 3 hours, 3 days in a week. Preparing my food, of course. Household chores. Man, what's wrong with me? But yeah. All those things combined, family time. I do not have a kid myself, but like, you know, seeing my family basically. Yeah, keep in contact with friends and stuff like that. It just eats up my time. And it was just hard to combine everything together and to also do YouTube because, well, may look fun on the video and stuff. The YouTube investment is actually a very huge one because I'm doing everything myself. I do not have an editor. Like I'm not paying an editor or something like that. I'm filming myself, I'm scripting myself when necessary. The ideation, the editing, which takes up tons of time, which I'm also going to do for this one. Yeah, it just takes up lots of time. But I'm really trying, and I really do not want to like cut back on the channel, stop with the channel. But I must say that I also want to do other things on the channel. Like I love VR. And some things is happening in the whole VR industry. VR is evolving. There are lots of companies that are trying to make VR better, smaller, faster, sharper, etc., etc. However, I'm also noticing that the content, the things that you can do on VR has stagnated a little bit, especially for Meta. And the new things that were coming out wasn't really like sparking my attention like it used to. I also believe it's moving more into a direction of AR, so it can be more mass adopted instead of like putting on bulky headsets on your head while walking through the street. It's just not realistic for most people. It's only for the enthusiasts like me that will buy whatever. If it's like really immersive and it's bulky, I don't care. Immersion is what I want. But that's not for everyone. Yeah, it's changing. And at the same time, AI is evolving really fast. Like there's already an AI model which can create other AI. Like imagine AI that's creating AI already. Can you imagine what will happen in 1 to 3 years from now? It's just crazy, man. I was also thinking about how can I perhaps maybe combine AI. I'm not talking about Quebble cop things, transforming myself into an avatar with a fake voice and making my videos that way. No. What is new in AI and how can that apply to VR also? Is there anything? Those are ideas that are just swarming through my mind. And I want to explore that. I want to see what's out there. More than just currently, you know, it's always the same thing. Like there's a little bit of content there for VR, a little bit of content there, but it's like mostly indie, made by smaller studios, which I'm not bashing. I mean, it's amazing that people want to bring out content for VR and keep it alive. Unless VR gets more mass adopted and mainstream, the bigger studios just won't hop in. It will be a huge liability and a cost for what? For just a small chunk of VR enthusiasts that would buy instantly. Like the whole market for it is way too small to invest huge amounts of money into it. So yeah, just wanted to tell you that, and just as a bonus to this video for listening to my update, to my story, I want to show you how to play Doom: The Dark Ages. I'm an avid Doom player. I love the Doom franchise. I love everything about it. And we all know there's already a Doom in VR, which is called Doom VFR, which is like a sub-game from the Doom 2016 game, I think. But for people that just want to play with their headset on and want to have a 3D immersion to it that is quickly to set up with virtual desktop and reshade, I am going to show you how to do that. Stay tuned, let's go. We're going to install Reshade first, so if you click on the link in the description, you will get to this website. Here you click download and then just download the Reshade 6.5.1 for me. Click that and just save it. Should be quick, and then we can launch the setup. Now, of course, your game needs to be installed beforehand, so if you haven't done that, do that first. If you cannot find your game in the list, I am using Steam at the moment. Just go to the right directory and find the exe file in order to get it to the list. And then click on your game, click next. I'm gonna use Vulkan, so click next. And here are all the effects that you can install for the game. I'm just gonna uncheck them all for now. And I'm gonna select Depth 3D by Blue Sky Defender. So click that one and then select Super Depth 3D.fx. So after that, click next and it should be installed. That's pretty much it. So we're going to test it right now. Launch the game. Now it will give you a pop-up with a GPU driver error. You can just ignore this by clicking no and just OK and play. And it should start up the game with Reshade installed. Oh, also, by the way, in the comments below, please tell me, are you a Doom player? Which Doom have you played? And do you like the latest game, The Dark Ages? Okay, so the game is launched. You can see Reshade on the top. So if you press home, then you'll see this starting screen. If you want a tutorial, you can continue. I'm just gonna skip it for now. And then you see all the effects. I had installed lots more effects for this one. So that's why you see a whole list. For you, it might only be a Super Depth 3D, but that's what we're going to use anyway. So first off, I'm just gonna close this screen by hitting home again on my keyboard and just going into a map. Let's go with the Khartoum marshes. There we are. Lots of environment to explore. That's nice. Let's press home. And now if you select Super Depth 3D, you can already see it has made a split screen side by side that we can convert in virtual desktop into a 3D experience. So now if you expand this part right here, you can see all the settings and sliders that you can adjust to make this more comfortable and more immersive for yourself. If I hit home again, now you can see. So I want to head over to virtual desktop for this, so make sure you have virtual desktop installed. Otherwise, just watch my other video in order to learn how to use virtual desktop and install everything that's needed. So yeah, let's do that. Now, if you click under the screen, just like that, a menu will pop up with all these settings. Now, we have selected side by side, so we're going to do full side by side, not this one because it will, oh, it's this one, sorry, half side by side. And then it should be 3D already. So I'm just gonna click away, put down my controllers. Okay, so now, wow, oh my gosh. My shotgun is full 3D, guys. So is my shield. This is amazing. This is a new way of playing Doom, man. This is so cool. Okay, let me see. What? Oh, okay, there we go. Woo! There we go. Oh my gosh. Come here, you. There you go. Who's moving really fast? Let me just go over to this Mancubus. There you go. Oh, that looks nice. Oh shit. Oh, you got me cornered now. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Nightmare modes. Let's go. Come on. Come over here. There we go. Next guy. Oh shit. He got me. Bye-bye. Why don't you die? Woo. Ah, damn. Okay. Just gonna take this off real quick. And that is how you play Doom the Dark Ages in 3D. Now, if you want to check out real VR videos that you can just natively play on your Quest 2 or 3, whatever, then you can check out this video right here that I made a pretty while ago. But if you're new to VR, it's a great starting point in order to discover what VR has to offer nowadays. So check that one out. I'll see you there.